If you're working on a project, there's always the challenge of finding the commit that caused the bug. If you're using Git on that project, you can use the bisect command to find the commit that caused the bug. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the bisect command to find bad commits in a project. So let's get started. Okay, I already created a bunch of commits in my repository and add two aliases to the git config file, one for git log and one for git show, just to make their output look nicer. So git config-global-e. As you see, these are the aliases that I have added to the git config file for you, and if I check the logs using them to show the commits, so git lol, as you can see, we have 4 commits in our repository, and in this commit, as you can see, the commit has changed number 2 and a bug, so this is the bad commit. But imagine we don't know that yet, so let's use the bisect command to find the bad commit. The bisect command is pretty simple. First, you need to tell Git to start the bisect operation. To do that, type git bisect start. As you can see, my terminal is showing me that the bisect command is working. So the second step is to tell Git which commit is a bad commit. To do that, type git bisect bad, then specify the bad commit. If you don't specify the bad commit, Git will consider the head commit as a bad one. So if you change your head to point to another commit, then run git bisect bad, you'll tell Git that the new head is a bad commit. And I'm on the last commit which has the bug. Look, cat main text. See, the current head has the bug. So I mark this commit as a bad commit. So git bisect bad. After you specified the bad commit, you can tell Git which commit is a good commit, and to do that, type git bisect good. Then you can specify a good commit, and just like the bad commit, if you don't specify the good commit here, Git will consider the head commit as a good one. And the first commit was good, I think. Let's see. Git shl and the initial commit. Okay, there's no bug in this commit, so I mark this commit as a good commit. So git bisect good and the initial commit. This is the initial commit. Did you see that? We're not on the main branch anymore. Git has changed the head to a new commit. In fact, git bisect will start its work after we specify a good commit and a bad commit. So now we need to specify the current head is a good commit or not. To do that, we can check the main file. So cat main text. As you see, the current head has the bug, so we mark this commit as a bad commit. So git bisect bad. Okay, now we're on a new commit. Let's check if it has the bug or not. So cat main text. Okay, there's no bug here, so we mark this commit as a good one. So git bisect good. And that's it. We found the bad commit. And here Git is showing us the bad commit information. We can't even see the bisect log, so git bisect log. See, and to finish the bisect operation, type git bisect reset. Okay, that was it. Hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please subscribe to my channel and comment if you have any questions.